Reaction time, man. Roast him.
Bruh.
Wow, what?
So,
Allah Akbar.
okay, Chief Keef from the dollar store is gonna make jokes now. Come on, bro.
Where your bombs, bro?
They're at.
Bro, what's going on?
Hey. So,
I think I've been seeing you on TikTok.
Yeah.
If it's you, I don't know.
what if it's me?
Then you gonna say some slick shit, huh?
There's nothing to say
No,
about you.
it's
You know, you look like you look fine.
Like if I said don't buy my house or some shit, you gonna say something.
Yeah, I'm gonna say something like your head looks like the AirPod you're wearing right now, but other than that. I'm sorry.
Wait.
I'm saying if.
Yo, Habibi.
What?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. Do you know helicopter? Paracopter, You like that song? It's Bulgarian, right?
Yeah, it is Bulgaria.
I'm gonna die.
Bro, this is the girl who has like Black Lives Matter post in her Instagram. Racist indoors and not racist outside.
Absolutely, yes. You're fucking racist as fuck.
I know this fucking dude.
大家好，公话先生有冰淇淋，我星星好冰淇淋。
Bruh.
If you don't speak English,
I don't think that's real Chinese, bro. Not that I would know, but well, 不会说普通话。
有冰淇淋，我星星好冰淇淋。
Bruh.
if you don't speak English right,
大家好，公话现在有冰淇淋。
今年了，欢的哈，难道哈？ If you don't speak English, I'm finna skip again.
Dune dane vide dune.
Oh shit.
You're my
He's
enemy.
about to blow us up.
What?
This motherfucker is going to blow us
You're
up.
my enemy.
Bro, the only enemy you have is your homework, bro. Go do your homework.
I'm a veteran and I'm gonna kill you.
That's kind of sad, bro. That guy was probably his father or something.
You know what's fucked up?
America.
Macaroni and cheese.
No.
Mm,
Macaroni is cheese and good, bro.
you
You know what's fucked up?
what?
9/11 was fucked up. Not gonna lie. Why laughing? Yo, 3,000 people died, and you laugh.
Bro, I'm not laughing. All right, listen. See, it's just out of nowhere that you said 9/11.
I mean, like what? So you don't agree? I'm just saying the incident. It was.
It's not out of nowhere.
That you said 9/11.
I mean, like what? So you don't agree? I'm just saying the incident. It was fucked up.
I know. Mac and cheese is actually really good now that I think about it.
You're my dream Discord mod, bro. Oh god. Wakey, wakey.
Wakey, wakey.
Oh my god, bro.
No, son.
Bro, how many calories is that? That's like 500 calories or something.
My what the hell?
We kill people like you.
You can you? I don't think you. I don't think you can. I don't think this guy could kill anyone, not even an ant.
What's good?
I love you, bro.
You like men?
No, no, I mean like, hey, come on, like in a brotherly way.
You want me to come? You want me to come? You just said come on. What do you mean by that?
Walk on.
Ooh, you want to walk on me? So you're dominant today.
Nah, hey, bro, look, hey, bro, come on. You got the cross, bro. You're supposed to be a man of God.
No, listen, God is not the only man I get on my knees for.
All right,
Listen,
all
bro, I have
right.
to go. My mom is calling me. See you.
Saudi Arabia, y'all trash, bro. Y'all lost to Poland.
We won Argentina, and you're like, you don't care about that, but we lose to Poland. Hey, listen, I don't see Somalia in the World Cup. That's all I'm gonna say, bro.
Yeah. Yo, I love your cartoon. Do I rate it? I rate it 9 out of 11. I rate it 9 out of 11.
My
9
content.
11.
My content.
Yeah, I
is
love
9
it. I
out of
rate
11.
9 out of 11.
Okay.
9 out of 11.
Baby, let's
Hey.
fucky,
Hey, fear God.
Baby, come on, let's fucky,
No.
baby, please.
No,
Let's
repent to God.
Baby, Allah not watching us, baby.
No, Allah is always watching. Shut up! Shut up! Allah is always watching.
The fuck, bro?
Is that a
Damn it.
Hey, bro. Who is that? Who said that? Who said that?
That was him.
These bitches love so.
Hey, why you going for word, yo?
What's good in the hoodie, brother?
Hey, brother.
For free? Really? For free? For free?
Yep.
For free?
I won't even charge you, bro. This one's free for you, brother.
Just for me, right? Free discount.
Just broken
Man,
ass toe.
hey, homie. From one homie to another homie.
Let me block the camera so they don't see what happens.
Alright, bro.
Repent to God now. Don't show your feet. Don't show your feet. Repent to God.
Hey, man, how you doing today?
Hey, you like this flag over there?
That's where I'm from.
You're from Hot Moms?
I love hot moms.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Let's not take it too far.
Tell your mom that.
Nice.
Dude's
So
hot.
repent to God. What is this?
I know.
God damn. Hold on. I'm sorry. I'm not really sorry, but please don't do anything to the Twin Towers again, bro.
Oh, wow, bro. Come
Hit me with an
on.
American joke. Now hit me with an American joke.
I don't know, bro. What? Don't shoot a school up? I don't know. Okay, what? Yo, why you laughing?
We could kick car accident. You gotta get the eye.
Dude can't speak.
What the hell? What's up?
Hello, how are you?
What the hell? No, I'm just kidding. What's up? What's up?
What's up? I'm a dude. Just to let you know, I'm a dude.
I'm a dude.
Yeah, it's a little weird.
Yeah, some people think I'm a woman. I'm not a woman.
I kill you people.
You kill my people?
Yes, I kill you.
Well, come on.
Boom,
bro.
boom.
You look like the song I Fell in Love with an Emo Girl.
Excuse me, Mexican sir.
Me, Mexican?
Call him Mr. Bomb Squad. Mr. Bomb Squad.
Oh, yeah, that's more accurate, you know.
Hey, this man isn't racist, so can you do him a favor?
I can do your mom a favor if you want.
Okay, let's I guess you're getting herpes then.
Hi.
Yo, what's up?
You all come from America?
No, Middle East.
Okay, cool.
Where you from?
I come from China.
Ni hao ma.
Oh,
Ni hao ma.
You can speak Chinese?
I know Bing Chilling
现在我有冰淇淋。
and Ni hao. That's all, bro. I'm sorry.
Chili. Oh my god.
John Cena, Bing Chilling. Yeah.
Chili. Yes. It's ice cream in Chinese. Do you like eat ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
You're so cute. So how old are you?
Okay, listen, bro. Let's keep that ice cream, bro. Let's keep that ice cream.
I thought I said, how hard are you? How old are you?
Let's just keep it at Bing Chilling for now, bro. Let's keep it at Bing Chilling. Let's slow things. Okay, bro, I gotta go. See you. Bye bye. Is that BTS behind you?
Yeah, that's BTS behind.
Oh my god, they're my favorite.
Same.
BTS helped me in my life. When I was a kid, I was literally paralyzed on a wheelchair, and listening to their songs helped me get through. Whenever their songs came on the radio, I would just get up from my wheelchair and turn it off. Like, I'm not on the wheelchair. Look, I can stand now. Thank you, BTS.
That's amazing. Yeah, thank you, BTS.
Anyone ever tell you this? You're the fucking bomb, man.
Yeah.
Dude, you look like an awesome plane pilot.
My uncle was the greatest one, though. Why you laughing, though? He was.
What do you do?
He flew planes.
Did he fly a plane in like September ever?
Did he land them?
It was his most accomplished day, I guess. That was his retirement day.
Really have to master the craft, huh?
Yeah, he did master the craft.
The aircraft.
Yeah.
Do you want to see something, brother? Look, don't
Hey,
make fun
listen.
of me, though.
Hey, what? Oof.
That's not haram. We don't do haram over here, brother. Don't
Good
beat me up,
job.
brother.
Never.
Oh my god, you're the guy from the thing. No, wait, put me on YouTube. Put me on YouTube.
华新桥，石油桥，华新桥，冰淇淋。
早上走过，现在我有
No, no, he's saying some me ice cream. I like your ice cream. What?
冰淇淋。
Yo, she knows how to do it better. Whoa.
I ate that up, right? Yeah.
你好。
你好吗？
Oh!
Yo, you're the best. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Well, my girl is here. Calm down. Grandpa, what's up?
I hear you, buddy.
I love you, Grandpa.
This is Grandpa from America. You from where? United States?
I'm from the Middle East.
You like Americans or not?
Hey, I like some Americans. I hate some Americans. You know, they're just like all people. There's good people and there's assholes.
Oh, yeah.
Are you the good type or the asshole?
I'm a good type. I'm a hillbilly. I live in the country.
Shit. Do you know this song? Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, my mama. Country.
How you know?
I'm a country boy.
Yo, I'm a fan, okay? I'll follow you.
You're the best.
My mom likes you. My mom likes you.
Your mom likes me?
She likes your YouTube channel.
What about me though? It's supposed to my YouTube channel. Does she like me?
Yay.
Let's go!
She doesn't watch it around my dad.
Oh! Bro, I told you guys, I'm from I Love Hot Moms country. Are you subscribed though? Are you subscribed? With the bell on?
Yeah.
Let's go! How many likes should this video get?
I'm telling you, dislikes don't get a million videos. A million likes. A million likes.
A million likes for this kid and his mom.
Subscribe and hit that noti button, bro.
Booty naked.
Booty naked.
Booty naked. What? Drew, booty naked. We out.